If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 10, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step on your PC. This issue is often caused by browser cache, cookies, VPN interference, ad blockers, or even a temporary problem on X's side. The good news is that most people can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted temporary files are one of the most common reasons X stops loading properly or throws an error 10 message. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will pop up. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Once that's done, click Clear Data. If you're using Edge or Firefox, you can use the same shortcut, Ctrl, Shift, and a Delete, and clear everything from the beginning of time or all time depending on the browser. After the cache and cookies are cleared, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try X again. If the error is still there, the next step is to turn off any VPN or proxy that you may be using. X can sometimes block or flag VPN IP addresses, especially if the network traffic looks unusual. So if you have a VPN app running, disconnect it. If you use a proxy or a DNS changer, turn that off too. Then refresh the X page and try loading it again. In many cases, that alone can instantly remove the error. Now let's move on to browser extensions and cookie settings, because these can also break X login and page loading. Aggressive ad blockers, privacy extensions, antivirus browser shields, and tracking protection features can sometimes interfere with the scripts X needs to run correctly. So open your browser settings and check your privacy options. In Chrome, click the three dot menu. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies. Make sure third-party cookies are allowed, or add an exception for X if your browser gives you that option. After that, refresh the page and test it again. You should also pause or disable extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or any similar blockers for a moment. Sometimes these extensions block a script, a cookie, or a login request that X needs in order to work. Once you disable them, reload the page and see if the error is gone. If X loads properly after disabling the extension, then you know the issue was caused by one of those add-ons. If you've tried all of that and you still see the error, the problem may not be on your device at all. X could simply be experiencing a server issue or partial outage. To check that, go to a service status site like Down Detector and search for X or Twitter. Look at the report graph to see whether lots of other users are having the same issue. If there's a spike in reports, then the best thing to do is wait it out, because the problem is likely on X's side and not yours. So to recap, start by clearing cache and cookies, then disable VPNs and proxies, allow third-party cookies, pause extensions, and finally check whether X is down for everyone. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the error 10 issue and get you back into your account or the website normally. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.